Welcome! This video will show you how to borrow ebooks using your Kindle Paperwhite through Overdrive. To begin, you can navigate up to the address bar on any internet browser and type in sales.overdrive.com. Or, if you're not sure about how to do this, you can always go to Google and type in Sales Overdrive. The first link will bring you to the primary Overdrive website for the sales network. Once you get to the Sales Overdrive page, to begin, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of your screen. On the next page, you want to make sure that when you click Select Your Library, that Sales Library Patrons is selected. Then, take out your library card and enter in the 14-digit number that has been assigned to you. For your PIN, enter in the last 4 digits of the primary phone number on your account. This could be a cell phone number or a home phone number. If you're unsure about this, you can always call the Wareham Free Library Circulation Desk at 508-295-2343 and dial 0. Our librarians can assist you with this. Once you've signed into Sales Overdrive, it brings you right back to the main screen. So let's try to locate a book that we might be interested in reading. To start, we're going to click on the search button right here. We're going to type the name of an author that we like. So let's try John Grisham. We can hit enter, or we can just click on the name. When the set of search results comes back, let's try this book right here, Camino Island. So to borrow it, we can just click right there on Borrow. And when the pop-up window comes up, we're going to borrow it for 21 days, and we can hit on the Borrow button. When the next screen comes up, if we want to read it on our Kindle Paperwhite, what you need to do is you need to click on the Read Now with Kindle button. And then another browser window will come up, and it will prompt you to sign into your Amazon account. After you've signed into your Amazon account, you can use this screen to select which device you can send it to. You might have a Kindle app set up on your phone, or perhaps someone else in the household has a Kindle Fire. You want to make sure that you send it to your Kindle Paperwhite, and that's exactly what I'll do right here when I hit the button, Get Library Book. If you're not sure about which device your Kindle Paperwhite is, or if you're really not sure what any of these other devices are, you can actually change the name by doing this. Click on Manage Your Content Devices, which is underneath About Library Lending in the middle of the screen. On the top, you'll see Manage Your Content and Devices. Click on the Devices tab right there. And then from here, you'll see all the different Amazon products that are installed on devices that you've registered. We have a Kindle, we've got a Fire tablet, we have Kindle on a couple of devices. We're going to click on this Kindle right here. And you can see that's the Kindle Paperwhite that we have. And from here, you can click on Kindle Paperwhite, and here you can click Edit. And you can edit the name as you see fit. And you can click Save to save it. And then we can close this window right here. I want to make sure that we're on the loan screen in Overdrive. So you can click on My Account and then go to Loans. And then we can hit the Read Now with Kindle button again. And it brings us right back to where we are. And we can click on, make sure we've got the Kindle Paperwhite, and click on Get Library Book. And the book should be sent right to your device. If you didn't see your Kindle Paperwhite on any of the screens that I went through, then you'll have to register it through your Amazon account before you can start to put library books onto the device. Once we go to the Kindle Paperwhite, we're not going to see the book right away. What we need to do is sync our device by either connecting to the Wi-Fi or through the hardwire connection from the computer. What I'm going to do now is focus on how to connect through the Wi-Fi and then show you how to sync your device. To start, click on the three dots at the top of the screen and then hit Settings. From there, click on Wireless, which should be the third setting down. Then click on Wi-Fi networks to connect to your Wi-Fi network at home or perhaps another location where you are with Wi-Fi access. To sync our device, we're going to click on Settings at the top between the back arrow and the link to Goodreads. A pull-down menu will appear, and then we want to click on Sync Your Kindle, and the book should appear on the home screen. If it doesn't do that right away, click on Your Library, which is underneath Home and the back arrow. You'll see the book at the very top. Click on it, and it will begin to download. After it has reached 100%, click on Home, and you can begin reading your book. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. If you are still having trouble trying to download an ebook to your Kindle Paperwhite, you can call the circulation desk at 508-295-2343 and dial 0. Our librarians would be happy to help you out. Also, be sure to check out our other Libby videos.